Hello, this is my Pixar penalty shootout game. It is a local multiplayer game where one person plays as a kicker and another person plays as the goalie. The problem is that I don't have anybody to test it with, so I'm going to attempt to make an AI kicker to help debug my code. Usually, the right trigger of an Xbox controller is used to adjust the power of a shot. The X-axis of the right joystick is used to aim the ball, and the Y-axis of the left joystick is used to adjust the height of the ball. I'm going to start by recording a bunch of my manual kicking velocities into a table, as well as getting the max and minimum velocity in each of the three cardinal directions. Using these values, I can create a randomizer function to generate any type of kick. Inside of this function, I'll pass in a difficulty value of 1 to 10, so I can purposely make some kicks harder than others. This value will control the power and create kicks that are closer to the corners of the net. To finish it off, I'll make a simple timer for every 5 seconds and call the kick function each loop. To finish it off, I'll make a simple timer for every 5 seconds and call the kick. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this bite-sized devlog. Next episode, I'll be actually testing the goalie code, which unfortunately isn't looking too good, but hopefully I'll be able to fix it, and I'll see you then.